Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Hello everyone, my name is Ivan Putra, kelas 12 FIB. Saya akan membacakan tugas Indonesia yang kemarin diberikan oleh Ibu Miss. Judulnya Teknologi in the Food. The year was 2015. Cristiano Loggers left glowing with soft light, powered by endless clear energy from the sun and the star. In the future, technology will become advanced with AI and robotics supporting daily life. Renewable energy replacing fossil fuel and evolving through the technology. Space exploration may expand human possibilities, but at his health and security challenge will also arise. Thank you.